Hi guys, good morning. Ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo paano magkaroon ng maraming bunga ang isang mulberry plant. This is a mature branch already. Hindi na natin siyang i-groom para magkaroon siya ng bunga. So, mahaba siya. So, kung nakatayo, it's like that. Yan. Mahaba na siya. I think this is maybe 3 to 4 meters long. All we have to do is kalbuhin natin siya. Kakalbuhin. Like this. So, until there, pwede na yan. So, ititira muna natin yung sa dulo kasi very young pa yan. Then, after siya makalbo, we'll have to bend it like this para lahat ng kanyang segment mag-produce ng new shoots. That is one technique. So, we will bend it slowly para hindi siya mabali. Yan. Actually, meron na siyang coming shoots. Oh. Hindi lang siya makalabas because nakatayo siya and the original leaves are distracting them from coming out. So, ayan. It's already bended. And 3 weeks later, may mga shoots na sila at yung ibang shoots may dalang bunga na. Ayan, like this one. Look at that. Oh, meron na siyang bunga. Yan, maliliit. Oh. Yan. And also that one, may maliit. Very tiny fruits. So, ganyan. Ayan pa. Ayan. May small fruits na sila. Yung iba naman, wala pa. Yan, like this one. Very small, oh. Yan, oh. Yan. Yan. There are a lot of new shoots. Lahat ng mulberry plants, meron na. Ayun. Yan, dami, oh. May mga small fruits na rin yan. Tsaka dito rin, sa isang puno, marami na din sila. Yan, oh. As it grows, it produces more fruits. Small. Ito medyo nauna, malaki-laki na sila. Yan, pinakauna. Lalaki pa yan. And so we will wait for another 3 weeks para mag-start siyang mag-red. And
at lumaki.
Unti-unti na siyang mahihinog and it will slowly turn purple in color. So if it turns purple, hinog na yan at matamis na matamis. Actually, I already have plenty of mulberry trees right here in my small garden. These are the third batch that I had planted. Yun, malalaki na rin sila doon. Ayan. And may fourth batch. Ito, maliit pa sila. Ayan. Here. Hindi ko pa nalilinisan. But this afternoon, maybe I would give chance para maglinis dito. Actually, I already had planted 21 trees in this mini garden or mini farm. I'm just so happy. Pag nagsabay itong mamunga, it would be very fun. On my next video, i-update ko naman yung kanyang mga bunga kung hinog na sila. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.